In this tutorial, I will guide you how to pay for SHA, which is the Social Health Authority in Kenya. So make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. Now, currently, there are 3 ways you can use to pay for SHA. So I'll guide you through all the methods. Ensure that you follow the instructions. Now, the first one is you can dial *147#, enter your ID, then select make payment and follow the prompts. Now, this is the first method. The second one is you can visit www.afyayangu.go.ke and log in. There is a payment option via an SDK push, which is M-PESA PIN prompt. So you can go to this website. I'll provide the link on the description of this video, as well as the comment section down below. Also come to this page here, which is afyayangu.go.ke. Just select here login to log in into your account if you do have an account. You can select here ID type, what to log in using the Kenyan citizen, passport, foreign citizen, refugee, mandate, or temporary ID. Then enter your ID number here, enter the 4-digit PIN, then select login to login onto your Afya Yangu account. Now, once you log in, there is a payment option you'll see via an SDK push M-PESA PIN prompt where you can pay using your M-PESA. Now, another way you can use to pay is through the M-PESA pay bill number, which is this one, which is 200-222, and enter your ID at the account number. Now, the last method is through the provided banks using your national ID number or the SHA Client Registry number. So ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully and let me know in the comment section if this has helped you, and see you next time.